In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new domain in Namecheap hosting. Whether you're setting up a new website or expanding your online presence, adding domains to your hosting account is an essential skill. So let's walk through this process together from start to finish in a way that's clear, straightforward, and easy to understand. Let's begin by logging into your Namecheap account. First, you'll want to navigate to the Namecheap website. Once there, you'll see a section on the screen labeled Account. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your username and password. Make sure to double check that your credentials are accurate to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, proceed by clicking the Sign In and Continue button. This will direct you into your Namecheap dashboard, effectively the control center for all your domains and hosting services. Once logged in, the next step is to access your dashboard. Here you will find all your domain related information conveniently displayed. On this screen, look for the option labeled Dashboard and give it a click. This will open a more detailed view of your account's domains and settings. From the dashboard, you now need to manage the specific domain you want to work with. Locate the Manage button next to the domain that's currently registered under your account and click it. This will direct you to an even more detailed panel that focuses specifically on that particular domain. The next step is to work on advanced settings where DNS management takes place. You will find a tab named Advanced DNS. Click on it to proceed. This area is crucial because it's where you make changes to the DNS records for your domain. Now you'll want to add a new DNS record. Locate and press the button labeled Add New Record. This is where you can specify different types of DNS records depending on what you're trying to set up. For our purposes, you'll be adding an A record. Select a record from the drop-down options. This type of record links your domain to an IP address, which is essential for directing traffic to your web server. In the fields provided, you'll need to type in the host part of your new domain. Often this is just the subdomain like www or @ if you're dealing with the root domain. After entering the host, the next critical step is to specify the IP address for your subdomain. Ensure that the IP address you type in is exact, as any errors will result in your site not loading correctly. Finally, you'll want to save all the changes you've made. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom and click it to ensure all your settings are safely stored. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a new domain to your Namecheap hosting account. It might take a bit of time for these changes to fully propagate across the internet, but once they do, your new domain will be live and ready to use. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.